Yeah, that's a good question. And I guess there's multiple broader categories, right? Which is aging populations, natural disasters, as well as health concerns that insurance face. What I'm really going to focus on today is more the technical, the operational challenges faced by insurance companies. And there's probably three. There's one is around regulatory change and the pace of that regulatory change, the speed at which it's expected to be deployed and addressed, and ultimately the data that's required around that. The other piece is around reporting. So what is the expectation, both for customers, right? When you think of you and I in our banking needs, we have expectations around the type of information, the speed at which I want it. Well, that's what insurance companies are facing, but not just for their retail customers. It's also for their institutional customers, for their regulators. So that's, yeah, the regulatory, the reporting piece, and then their operating structures. So it's really interesting when you look at regional insurance companies, they have subsidiaries all over. Those subsidiaries are actually have their own challenges, and one of the objectives that they need to be able to bring together to be able to manage the risk of the insurance is consolidating all of that. So that becomes a real challenge of data, of consistency across the markets. Yeah, so I break it down into three different pieces. So the one is really what I'll call BAU. So we've invested a huge amount in terms of streamlining processes, in terms of making sure STP, straight through process, right? So limit the amount of manual touch points to ensure that the data is there quickly, accurately, and avoid unnecessary steps around that. Um, I guess one of the key differentiators we have is really a single operating platform. So when you talk about custody services, so custodying the assets of the insurance company, we got a single platform across 39 different footprint markets. That's really unique and is able, and as a result, we are able to harmonize that piece. So that's one piece around getting the basics right. The next is all about data. And you'll have heard people talk about data in this aspect around insurance. It's ensuring that the positions are there, that trades are settled, that corporate actions are in time, that your FX data, your cash data is all there. So we've got a whole program and we're leading the drive around the data. Now, data in itself may not appear to be that exciting, but it's what you do around that. So all the microservices and the AI that you can overlay on top of that data. That's really when you start getting excited about what we can provide to our clients and what we can provide to insurance companies. And I guess the last piece is around digital assets. So thinking about tokenizing assets, tokenizing funds. Um, we're the first custodian to go live in this in DIFC, so in Dubai, but that's being rolled out in Luxembourg, Hong Kong, Singapore. So again, really driving the change around innovation in this space and supporting our clients in doing so.